just like that, our chicken is finally ready. Look at this beauty. What's going on, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. And today's episode, I'm going to show you what I did last week. I made some really good barbecue chicken sandwiches, and I thought I'd just share with you the recipe because they came out really good. And you can do this. I have a smoker. You can do it on the smoker, on a barbecue, gas barbecue, on a charcoal barbecue. Heck, you can even do it on the comal, on the stove. They're really good. You should try them out. Let me show you what I did. Okay, guys, so this thing only takes 4 items. 1, the chicken, the oil, a rub, a little bit of water, and a dish. And of course, you're gonna need your handy dandy smoker right there. Wow. Chicken, you're gonna pour this onto the dish. You're gonna grab your avocado oil, this right here, and you'll rub. As you can see, this is not garlic powder. I make my own rub. I'll give you the recipe in a minute. And you're gonna need a little bit of water. So how this works is you're gonna dump the water in, and it was about half a cup of water. You're gonna get your avocado oil. I'm gonna put about yay much, and then the rub. I'm sorry guys, I'm doing everything one-handed. I'm gonna pour your rub. This is not working. Let me get this thing off. Yeah, I need about that much. Yeah, about that much. A little bit more oil, just because we can, and we shall. And then I need a whisk. Got it. I'm gonna mix this. Mix it. What the hell? We're gonna dump the whole thing in. A little more oil. Yeah, we got the whole oil in it. That's it. Cool. So mix. And then you want to save some of this, a little bit, on a cup or dish, because you're gonna use it to spread it onto the other chicken when it's cooking. Alright, since we now got a little bit of the mix that we made, and we still have some of this, now we're gonna throw this in here. Now that we got the chicken in there, what do we do next? We mix. Try to get it all over the chicken, guys, so you don't miss anything. Alright, this is the finished product. From this one, from right here, we now go to ours. Alright, now we got our smoker ready at 275 degrees. Now we're gonna start making our smoked barbecue delicious chicken. You hear that? Oh my goodness, I love that sound. The smell that this thing is giving, even though it's not cooked, it's amazing.
I've been swerving, make it trendy, we look sexy, here we go, making really on, getting icy zone, flexing, I've been swerving, make it trendy, we look sexy, It's so icy, on my neck combination, 새로운가 간지 머리 swag, 남들이 잘 때도 쓸어담지, breaking good, life is good, 한동안 잊었어 이 느낌을, for better life, for better love, 이제는 나도 두 배 벌어, I don't give a fuck, who should give a fuck, 요즘 애들이 병신놀이 하는 거, no one give a fuck, take care of a house,
now that we're all set, now we wait.
Let's be straight, enemies, match both technique, cardio, terminate, 좁아 아마 좋은 새끼들 눈에 주제를 알아매요, making really on.
Alright, now we're gonna flip this babies over here. Look at how pretty that is. Oh my goodness. Oh, so juicy. It's gonna be pretty amazing. See that? None of them is burnt. Awesome. Everything's cooking pretty evenly. And you saw the juices? Oh my goodness. Now we're gonna grab our basting. We're gonna baste this over here.
Here we go, making Billy on, getting icy zone, flexing.
I'm gonna brush it off lightly. That's gonna keep cooking and it's gonna add more flavor. Like all of them. Yeah, baby. Oh, yeah. After it's done, close the lid. Alright guys, and after waiting and waiting, our chicken now looks like this. Still juicy. Now we're gonna do the other side with the same treatment. We're gonna give him some color. We're almost there.
섣불리 시작해서 이제 밥벌이 랩스타일 비슷해 내 스타일 비슷해 고마워 네 관심은 passion이 나중에 엮는 매일에는 정중히 인사드려 볼 일 없어 우린 pardon me 윗고기 마시기 전에 차린 정신 도배락에 미쳐버린 뒤 늦어지는 타이밍 Ball like a launcher rim get the shot go free throw 나는 몸만 하면 그때 벌고 변한 건 없어 don't like a full bro 좀 달라 보여 그거 느껴진 색안경 눈탱이였던 놈 이제 벌어들어 one currency 바꿔 cash rules everything around me 유명세는 떠나가자 fuck that let's go making Billy on, getting icy zone, flexing. I've been swerving, make it trendy, we look sexy.
Now our chicken is finally ready. Look at this beauty. Believe it or not, guys, all this chicken here was only $10. This one's got my name on it. Amazing. Alright guys, now that everything is ready, now we're gonna start building our sandwich. I got my buns already toasted. I put that on the air fryer for a few minutes. I am using the famous Dave's sweet and tasty barbecue sauce. We're gonna put some of that in the bun. We're gonna use a spoon to spread the barbecue sauce in. I'm thinking I might need a little bit more barbecue sauce. You can put as much barbecue sauce as you like. I like mine with plenty barbecue sauce. After that, we're gonna get our chicken thighs or barbecue chicken thighs. I'm gonna put that on the sandwich. Usually I get a fork and a knife to cut the chicken, but I'm really hungry, so I don't care. Let's just put that in. Now, we're gonna get some onions. Fresh onions onto the sandwich, put them in. Yeah, baby, yeah. Now avocado. Let's get the avocado and put a slice in it. Look at this beautiful avocado, man. Nice and green. Put a whole slice in it. It's looking good, it's looking good. What the hell, let's put another slice of avocado in it. We got plenty. I'm telling you guys, this is gonna be amazing. You should try it and make this recipe. It's worth it and cheap. Now let's go get the pickles. We gotta put some pickles in there. And this step is really important, guys. Don't skimp on the pickles. Put a lot of pickles in it. I'm telling you, it's worth it. A few more pieces. Let's put a few more pieces in it. Oh man, I can't wait. Yeah. Now let's get a spoon and push all that in. Let's push all the goodness. Oh man, I can't take it anymore. Now we eat. The flavors. I'm telling you guys, if you do this, if you follow the recipe, it's gonna come out amazing. If you don't have a smoker, you should go buy one. And I recommend you the Pit Boss Smoker. And that's it, you guys. If you guys like this episode, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more of my videos, subscribe. That being said, I'll see you guys very soon on the next one. If you liked it, leave me a comment. See you guys on the next one.
Ball like a lawn jar rim, get the shot, go free throw. 나는 몸을 나면